Avada is a premium WordPress theme that you can use to create any type of website. This theme comes with a ton of features and options that you can use to customize your website. It also includes a built-in drag and drop live page builder that you can use to create just about any custom page designs. Avada also includes support for WooCommerce, which allows you to create a professional online store. Avada has a ton of features, and here are just a few of them. Fully responsive, unlimited color options, retina ready, advanced theme options, flexible page layouts, powerful shortcodes, custom post types, custom widgets, translation ready, and much more. But that's not all. Avada is also extremely easy to use. You don't need to be a developer to create a beautiful website with Avada. Just add your content and the theme takes care of the rest. Avada is also regularly updated with new features and bug fixes, so you can be sure that your website will be always up to date. And if you need help, the Avada team is always happy to assist you. Overall, Avada is an extremely versatile WordPress theme that is perfect for both small business and e-commerce websites. The theme is highly customizable and includes many demo content and add-ons that can be used to create a website that meets your specific needs. Additionally, Avada is both easy to use and update, making it a great choice for busy website owners. I highly recommend Avada. See link below to check it out and to see all of the awesome design demos. Thanks so much for viewing.